In this video I will talk about one of my pet peeves: modern tutorials that use old formatting techniques in Python. I'm doing research for a new training, and among my sources are many blog posts that have Python code that implement neural networks. Due to the math-heavy topic, I suspect that many code is written by non-Python developers. Their code works, but there is a thing that would improve the readability of many tutorials. This video is focused on programmers who use Python and want to know the most readable and modern way to do string formatting in Python by using f-strings. To show you what I mean, I will use different variations to print a string with name Vera and salary 2000 in it. Let's go! The first thing that works in almost every language is concatenating literal text and variables like this. What happens if I run this? An error occurs. Although Python is a dynamically typed language, it is also strongly typed. That means I have to cast the number to a string manually, like this. Let me try again. That is better. I have made a separate video on Python's type system. You can have a look by clicking the link. So this works, but it is not very nice. Gluing together literal text and variables is very error-prone when more variables are inserted. But I still prefer it over the next technique. Here, the literal string contains placeholders for values. I'll execute the code. The values are converted implicitly, but are visually disconnected from the placeholders. A technique that was introduced in Python 2.6 is to use the format function like this. It uses curly braces for the placeholders. It allows you to put the values from the tuple into the placeholder of choice by using indexes. It also allows you to use key value pairs like this. I'll execute the code. If that is possible, some Python developer must have thought, why not strip the format part and put an f in front of the string? How does that work? Let me show you. Notice the f in front of the string. It stands for formatting. I'll execute the code. And there you go! The last variation is called an f-string and allows string interpolation where a variable is injected directly in a placeholder. It is immediately clear where a specific variable will be injected in the string literal. F-strings were added to Python 3.6 and they are a great improvement over all the other techniques I showed. I hope this little tutorial convinces you to abandon old-school formatting techniques in Python and start using f-strings and improve readability. I hope this helps. See you in the future.